Hi everyone, it's Cherry and Ivy. I am doing a quick unboxing video. I already pulled the tab so this would be easier to open, and these should be my business cards. So I ordered off Canva. That's what some of my designs are. One print, one tree. I've loved that. I wanted to buy more things because I saw that. It always seems impossible until it's so we got stickers, Canva stickers. This is our executor. Cute thank you card. Thank you for bringing me design. So cute. See what else is got in the box. I actually just like how the box is itself. Here we go. That is so small. It is so small. Look at that. My phone died. All I did was put the box back together. I did not look in here. I want a raw reaction from my cards. I will edit a more professional one later after I'm seeing it. But this is amazing. I am excited. My phone is charging, so here we go. Oh, I can see one is already torn. But here we go. Cherry and Ivy. This is the new logo. I've been waiting for these cards to get here so I could update everything. Here's my information. And surprise, we got a new website I'll be promoting shortly. It's still, you can look at it. The store is not activated yet, but it will soon. Here it is. My official Cherry and Ivy business card. I might actually cry. Tell me what you think in the comments. Love you guys.